Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. Today I'm going to share with you a really cool candle trick. Yes, my 3-year-old put nuts in that candle, but these jars are so cute, so amazing, and I want to reuse them. But how do you get the candle wax out? Well, I'm going to show you in all of these jars right here how to do it fast, easy, quick. All right, I'm going to go ahead and heat up some water. This is filled, by the way. You can boil water over the stove if you want to, but I don't want to wait that long. So I'm going to put this in the microwave for about 3 minutes. That's nice and toasty. Now it is not boiling over, so we'll see how this goes. I'm just gonna go ahead and dump this in here, dump this in here, a little bit in here. Ooh, it smells nice. A little bit in here. Now, depending upon how hot of water you used, a variety of things will happen. You can see right here, this is completely liquefied. I'll show you a trick for that. This one I could scrape completely out. This one right here is super thick, so I think getting in there with a fork or a spoon is gonna help as well. Now be careful, your glass will likely be hot. Now in some cases, if the water is not very hot, sometimes you can get underneath the candle and lift it all in one piece. However, I have not had much luck with that particular technique. You could go ahead and reuse this wax for a different project if you wanted to, depending upon, again, how much water you used, or just get yourself a garbage can and you're just gonna, ooh, this came out. Look at this, my friend. Ooh, we're getting excited. Look at that. I guess I just needed to be a little bit more patient. Let's try this next one. Let's work on this one with the nuts. Now this one is not as smooth. I'm still able to get a good portion of that wax up. Now I just need to clean those last little bits out. I do not recommend putting candle wax down your drain. There we go, awesome. Click the video on screen now if you want to learn another really cool candle trick when it comes to those wicks. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.